Hi, so this will be a demo of Files Connect for Salesforce. Specifically, I'll be covering SharePoint. If you go to the link that I provided in the description, it'll take you to the page that I'm on currently. And if you follow the steps listed, then you'll be able to set this up. It took me about an hour, so it's not too long. Additionally, I'd recommend setting up this include the external data and global search, and that'll just allow you to search for the SharePoint files from the global search bar. But yeah, let me get on to the show. So this is the SharePoint site I set up for this video. You can see I have a couple of files and folders in here. If you want to test this out, let me hide that. If you want to test this out, you can get a free trial for 30 days with any of the Office Online packages, I believe. But just make sure it's one that includes SharePoint so you can test this out. So yeah, let me go inside of Salesforce. If I click on the Files tab, you'll see under Connected Sources, we have this option SharePoint for Salesforce. That's what I elected to name it. You can name it whatever you'd like during the setup process, but this is what I identified it with. And then you'll see the Documents tab of this SharePoint site. And when I click on this, you'll see all the same files and folders that I have there. The only difference being with OneNote, it stores as a folder inside of Salesforce. So if I click on this, you'll see the sections associated with that notebook. But yeah, everything else is the same. So I'll come back. This updates almost instantaneously, I found. I'll create a Word file to show how that works. So I'll just put some sample text, and then we'll name this sample Word file 667. Alright, so that's saved. And now, where'd that go? Now when I go back and I open that Documents tab again, you'll see that file. So sample Word file 667. From here, if you click on the name of the file, you'll get this button that says Open in SharePoint Online. So I'll click on that. And if I click Edit, it'll take me into the document, and then I can edit it as I need to. Let me close these out. Also from this page, if you click on this arrow, you can share it with other users, as well as groups, and additionally you can download it. So it'll open a new tab, and then it'll download in your in the bottom of the browser. So I'll open that, and you can see this PowerPoint file I made earlier. That's about it for this page. Also, if you add the Files tab to a record, you can interact with that same screen from there. So you can see here I've already added a few files, but if I click on Add Files and I select the same thing we did before, the SharePoint site that we've connected, I can select a file. So I'll say I'll pick this Word file 3, and when I add that, it'll show up here. And additionally, if I click on it, I get the same option to open it in SharePoint Online. Another nice thing is that I mentioned before is you can search for these files up here. So yeah, you can see a couple files I have. I'll search for, yeah, there's Word file 2, here's Word file 3. So it shows up as a file here. And if I click on that, I get the same option. It'll ask me if I want to open it in SharePoint Online. Additionally, when you set up the ability to search globally, if I come here, I have this external object I created for storing all of the external files. And let me click all, and once it finishes retrieving, we'll have the list of all the files that we're showing in SharePoint. Alright, so here we go. So here, if I click on Word file 3, and I click on this display URL, it'll take me into SharePoint. and I'll see that same file from before. Click edit. And you can see we have, oh, this is a different file. This is one from earlier. But as you can see, it opens in SharePoint Online, and we can edit it from here. And that is about it. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and have a great day.